What are you doing?
I'm just putting people. Just put on this a plate.
You're putting people on a plate?
Yes.
Oh, what people are they? What are their names?
Cammy and Mommy.
Cammy and Mommy?
Yes. There's more Play-Doh.
Yeah.
They're too much.
Looks good.
Yes, it's like it's salsa. It's salsa.
Salsa?
Yes.
Ooh, I love salsa.
You gotta get chips or salsa.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yes. That's real salsa.
Real salsa?
Yes.
Oh, is it spicy?
Yes.
Hmm.
I can't eat it.
Yeah. Hey, Porter,
What?
how old are you?
3.
You're 3? You had a
Yes.
birthday?
Yes.
What did we do for your birthday?
Some chocolate cake.
Yeah. What did the cake look like?
Milky.
Milky. Did they look like baseballs, the cupcakes?
Yes.
Yeah.
And a candle.
And you had a candle. What did you do with the candle?
Cake.
You put on the cake.
Like this.
What song did we sing to you?
Happy birthday.
Can you sing it for me?
Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday coming up.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
I don't know, I got quite a long time to wait.
I put on candles. Oh, the other candle.
What did you get for your birthday?
I can't remember. Buzz and Woody.
You got them for Christmas.
Yes.
What'd you get for your birthday?
Buzz.
You got a camera
Yes.
and a baseball
Yes.
glove and a bat and a balls and a tee.
Okay.
And you got lots of train stuff too.
And new things.
New train stuff.
Yes.
You're a lucky boy.
Yes. I can't open my train stuff. I play with them. I can't do it. Can't do it again.
All right, buddy.
What?
I'm going to turn this off.
No, don't turn off.
Why not? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.